Never feel powerless. The bosses of electricity, HBS, in conjunction with the Melvin Williams Gutierrez Foundation for Renewable and Alternative Energy. We here in Exuma, again, the most beautiful places on earth, not the Bahamas. And of course, we put in a brand new installation. Yep, a next series. We are on Experience the Power Tour and Expo Exuma. We putting in multiple systems, grid tie, off grid, generators, camera systems, you name it, we got it here. And right here, Miss Lanka White from Canada, she picked us. Let's get the show started. All right, back in Exuma again, and we got our brand new 24 kW generator series right here. And this one is a beauty. This have Wi-Fi capability. You understand? As you can see, it's ready to run. What I like about this generator is from the G4 series, so it's very powerful. It can surge and start 2 5-ton central along with a swim pool pump and along with an electric heater, all at the same time. As you can see, all the manuals right here for persons who like to read up on everything, and have the 24K badge right here. Beautiful. And this also have auxiliary shutdown. So if there's an emergency, you walk right here and just shut everything down. As you can see, all the seal tight flex, everything running neat. We have a 200 amp automatic transfer switch with a service disconnect right here. And very important, the utility on this island is horrible. So we have a type 1 and type 2 whole house surge protector from Leviton. Very good, and it's beautiful. Now as you can see right here, everybody was talking about ground. We have everything grounded right here, just in case there's a lightning strike or etc. Now what we trying to do is we trying to power up 2 big 5-ton central, a well pump, swim pool pump. So let's get this show beginning. So what we can do, we're going to simulate a power outage. So we're going to shut off the power. As you can see, the pump is on running. All right, power is going off. This time we have it set for 10 seconds because, you know, we have a lot of faults, surges and whatever. So we want to delay the time the generator start. Now the generator going to sense that, hey, power being off more than 10 seconds, and it's going to crank. And once it crank, it's going to deliver 200 amps to the automatic transfer switch immediately. You understand? Now, as you can see, it have at a glance right here, so you can see the status of the generator literally from a quarter mile away. Generator just start, you will hear a click, and it'll transfer. Once the transfer, power will be inside the house. Swim pool pump just turn on. Live action. No being a Hollywood movie. We got our gas line running back right here. Now, of course, there is a big demand for 100-gallon tanks. We have to use a 100-pound. We have our twin stage regulator right here, and that's looking good. Let's see what all this baby can run. We have this 5-ton central air conditioning right here. Beautiful. See the lock rotor amps on top of that in the spec. This is a hog. You understand? This uses plenty of electricity. That's one. All right, we're on the other side of the building now. We have the next 5-ton central right here. And this is the hog. This generator gonna run all 2 of these simultaneously with no problem with our load manager automatic switch. So it's determined with its priority. So if generator sense that, well, all right, you want air conditioning as priority number 1, then the central as number 2, and then the well pump as number 3, it do it automatically with a smaller standby generator. We have our well pump and irrigation system right here. As you can see from the Penta, we have our 1,000-gallon tank, and of course we need water. Water is very important. Standby generator from HBS is powering all these automatically and simultaneously with no problem. We got our swim pool pump right here, and as you can see, we need to circulate water. You understand, to keep everything purified, filter, and clean. Standby generator from HBS, we got it with no problem. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn back on the power. The generator is gonna crank and transfer back to utility. You see the light turn on a surge. Now the generator is gonna run for 1 minute and cool down. Let's open it up and let's see the inner working of this beauty. Hurricane season is here and you don't have to feel powerless. Log on to www.hbssystem.com and give us a call now at 436-37494. Energy. And remember, never feel powerless.